Hello and welcome to Storytime with Miss Bethany. I'm Miss Bethany. I work at the Beaverton City Library. Today I'm going to tell you a story about a sneeze. Have you ever needed to sneeze but it wouldn't come out? What do you do to make yourself sneeze? My dad always looks up at the sun. Achoo! And we have to remember, these days we have to wear a mask over our mouth and nose so if we sneeze, the germs don't come out. All right, this is Sammy Sheep. Sammy has that tickle in his nose that you get when you need to sneeze. He says, ba, 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 but no chew. What will Sammy do? He saw his friend, Ms. Hen. Sammy, why are you so sad? She asked. Sammy told her, I need to sneeze, but I have the ba, but not the chew. What should I do? So clever Miss Hen plucked out a feather and tickled Sammy's nose. Do you think that'll work? Sammy said, ba, 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 but still no chew. Sammy met another friend, Mr. Pig. Sammy, why are you so sad? Sammy told him, I need to sneeze. I have the ba, but not the chew. What should I do? Mr. Pig said, Pepper always makes me sneeze. So he got a fan and he shook the pepper, shake, 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 shake. And the pepper went in and Sammy went ba, 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 but still no chew. So Sammy kept going. He ran into his friend, Nanny Goat. Nanny said, Sammy, why are you so sad? Nanny Goat, I really need to sneeze. I have the ba, but not the chew. What should I do? Nanny said, I'm really good at kicking, and when I kick, dust goes into the air, and that'll make you sneeze. So she kicked, and the dust went into the air, and it went into Sammy's nose, and he went, ba, 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 but still no chew. Oh, goodness, I need to sneeze so much. The animals saw that Sammy still needed to sneeze, and they came back to help some more. The goat kicked. Here's the dust. Mr. Pig sprinkled his pepper, and Ms. Hen tickled Sammy's nose, and Sammy went ba, 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 chew! He sneezed so hard that all the animals blew away. And do you know what they said to Sammy? Gazoon tight, Sammy! Thank you. The end. Thanks for sharing that silly story with me. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.